ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 864th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 54th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Brihadasva Maharshi narrating the story of Nala Damayanti to Dharmaraju and saying like this, O Dharmaja, when Damayanti's father Bhima Maharaju announced Damayanti's Swayamvaram, there comes so many kings to that kingdom. And at the same time, Narada Maharshi, Parvata Maharshi, both of those Devarshis, they came down to Svargalokam to visit Devendra. And Devendra gave them warm welcome. After that, Narada Maharshi saying to Devendra, O Devendra, did you hear about Damayanti's Swayamvaram? Damayanti is the daughter of Bhima Maharaju, and she has gone very high level of all the women in beauty and in character. So that Damayanti Swayamvaram is going to happen and all the kings are reaching out there. Every king is wishing to have Damayanti as their wife. Like that, when Narada Maharshi is saying, at the same time, there comes Lokapalascha Sagnikaha. Lokapalakas, Agnideva and other Lokapalakas came over there. They heard Narada Maharshi saying about Damayanti Swayamvaram. They felt happy and they also expressed their wish to join that Swayamvaram. Immediately, Tatas sarve maharaja saganaha saha vahanaha vidarbhan abhijagmuste yatas sarve mahikshitaha. Immediately those Dikpalakas, Indra, Agni, Yama, Varuna, they came down to Damayanti Swayamvaram. And on their way, they have seen Nala Maharaj. Nala Maharaj also heard about Damayanti Swayamvaram. Immediately, he also started getting to Vidarbha Desam to join Swayamvaram. So these Dikpalakas have seen Nala Maharaj and got shocked to see his handsomeness. And then they all stopped their vimanas in the space, got off, came down to Nala Maharaju and saying, Bho Bho Nishadharajendra Nala Satyavrato Bhavan Asmakam Kuru Sahayam Duto Bhavanarottama. O Nala Maharaja, we know that you are such a great righteous man. So you have to help us by being our messenger. Like that, Dikpalakas asking Nala Maharaju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us Do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.